Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine now. In this video, we compare the price of Hedera Hashgraph of the last 3 days and the current price of the Hedera Hashgraph. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and complete my 2K subscriber. Now let's compare the price of Hedera Hashgraph of the last previous 3 days and the current price of Hedera Hashgraph. As you can see here, that's the live price prediction of previous 3 days. If we see the chart of the Hedera Hashgraph, so it's still us. The Hedera Hashgraph grows up the jumping period of Hedera Hashgraph in the last previous 3 days. So now if we see the price of Hedera Hashgraph, the previous 3 days price of Hedera Hashgraph is $0.346091. Price is the high price of Hedera Hashgraph in the previous 3 days. Now if we look the current price of Hedera Hashgraph, so the current price of Hedera Hashgraph is $0.340126 is the current price of Hedera Hashgraph. So let me compare the price of Hedera Hashgraph, the current price and the previous 3 days price. Let's compare it. The current price is $0.340126, and the previous 3 days price of Hedera Hashgraph is $0.34691. So that's clear that the Hedera Hashgraph falls down because the chains in the last hour, they are falling down. Because they are falling down, so the price of Hedera Hashgraph falls down. As you can see here, the last price of Hedera Hashgraph is greater than the current price of Hedera Hashgraph. So it's still us that the Hedera Hashgraph in the previous 3 days they falls down. So it's a bad period of Hedera Hashgraph. Hope they are best soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is the live price prediction of Hedera Hashgraph. Now let's see the live price prediction, what's change occurred in the last period. As you can see here, the graph of Hedera Hashgraph in the last 1 hour falls down. So it is clear the Hedera Hashgraph crypto as in fall. As you can see here, the change is negative 0.16% change occur in the last previous hour, and the price of Hedera Hashgraph in the previous hour is 0.341201 is the high price in the previous last hour. So it's still us that Hedera Hashgraph falls down in this period. So it's the best to sell it and be safe from loss. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and updates.